the emoji that I just created. How cute is that? And I'm going to share this with you how to do it. Quick and easy. I'm gonna share with you right now, okay? I will show you how to do it. First, you're gonna go to right here, message, and then you go to this, you see this face with the heart right there? And you can create emoji. For me, I create like a ton of emoji already. If you're not yet create one, click on the like 3 dot right here on the left, click on that. And then you can either add your emoji or create new emoji. So click on new emoji, and then you can pick your face, your skin. For me, yellow is perfect, and then you can pick hairstyle. Then you can click any hairstyle you want. I'm gonna click this one here. And then you wanna click brow, and any brow you want. So I'm going to click these brows right here, and then eye. You can change the eye to either what eye color, let's say bluish. Ooh, that is so pretty, right? Then we want to change the head. If you want like, different shape of head, you can select any one you want. And face, click on this one. Yeah, and then nose. You can change like a long nose or short nose. Let's change this long nose. Okay? And then mouth. You can change the mouth. Like you want different kind like pink lip. That's cute, right? And then got this bigger lip. And then ear. You can change the ear too. So the ear, you can have earrings for her. So let's say I like this earring. That's so cute, right? Or this one. Then hair. So facial hair, you don't want any facial hair unless you are a man or a boy. Then you can select facial hair. I'm gonna leave it no facial hair. Then eyewear. You can select glasses. Oh, this one's so cute. I'm gonna click on that one. I love that glasses. Then come over here to headwear. So what headwear you want? You can be like a cook, or you can be like no headwear. Oh, this one's so cute. Yeah, click on that one. And then clothing. Oh, you can select clothing right here. And what clothing you want? Let's see. And you can collect like main color. And let's just cream for main color. And then second color, you want that white. And then third color, I want that blue. And now look right here. We can select clothing. What kind of clothing you want to wear? Let's see this one. Ah, that's funny. Hey, that's cute. So now I can click on done. So first of all, look at that. That's the emoji that came with it. Oh, that's so cute, right? I'm going to click on done here, just like that. And now look, I have my emoji. So I'm going to click on this emoji here, right there. Now look. Now the question is, how can we record a voice, okay? So to do that, click on this face right here that have this camera looking thing on. And I'm gonna click and then slide to the right to get the emoji that I just created. How cute. So let's talk. So this is the emoji that I just created. How cute is that? And I'm going to share this with you how to do it. Quick and easy. I'm gonna share with you right now, okay? And to send that emoji, it's easy, guys. So I have right here under Lily, which is my niece right there. Up here, Lily, my niece. I can actually click on the blue arrow here to send to her. There you go. And my niece probably respond to me that she gonna get it in a second. It's so much fun. I can't wait to share it. I'm gonna post this on YouTube, okay? So let's cut to it. I hope this is help and have fun. I love